years after its debut, the Hollywood classic has been reimagined for the world's most advanced venue. As one of its first viewers, I'm still debating whether it's the future of cinema or a step too far. Inside the giant, shimmering orb that dominates the Las Vegas skyline, an 86-year-old Hollywood classic, The Wizard of Oz, has been resurrected by the power of artificial intelligence. This new immersive experience, held within the technological marvel known as the Sphere, is being hailed by some as the pinnacle of entertainment and the future of filmmaking. To others, it's an artistic desecration. As one of the very first people to witness this stunning and controversial spectacle, I want to share my personal account, blending my first-hand experience with the hard facts behind this unprecedented event. How my journey to Oz began. It all started in March of this year, when I was in Las Vegas to attend Google Cloud Next 2025. The day before the main event, Google hosted an exclusive gathering for partners, speakers, and distinguished guests. On the Sphere's colossal stage, Google CEO Sundar Pichai and Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian spoke of pushing the boundaries and how AI is fundamentally changing our world.
Please welcome Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai.
Wow, this is just incredible. Welcome to the Sphere. What a way to kick off Google Cloud Next. Huge thanks to Jim Dolan and the Sphere team for having us. I've never felt so large and so small simultaneously. It's like I'm in a quantum state. Thank you all for joining us for this special evening. Tonight, we are going to show a glimpse of what our teams at DeepMind, Cloud, and Sphere are working on together, bringing the Wizard of Oz to the scale of the Sphere, powered by Google AI. Google was perfectly suited to
an entirely new experience made possible by the fusion of artistry, AI, and innovation. Wow, we made it.
We're here.
We are here. Well, Jim, before we get started, I heard a little rumor that this is the first time you've been on the Sphere stage with a live audience. Is that true?
That is true. I've been in front of a live audience before. I feel like I should sing you a song.
You know, hey, we wouldn't hate it.
Nah, we don't.
All right, okay. Well, actually, so take us back a little bit, Jim. Tell us about your vision for a venue and an experience of this magnitude.
Then, James Dolan, CEO of Sphere Entertainment, took the stage to announce their groundbreaking project, a complete, AI-driven reimagining of the 1939 classic, The Wizard of Oz, created exclusively for the Sphere. We, the attendees of that special event, were given the incredible opportunity to be the very first audience. The show has since opened to the public. The Sphere, not just a venue, a cathedral of sensation. To call this a 4D experience is a massive understatement. At the Sphere, you don't just watch a movie, you step inside it and become part of the story. The phrase, pushing the boundaries, took on a literal meaning. Here's a quick look at this architectural and technological titan. The price tag, built at a cost of $2.3 billion, it surpasses the $1.9 billion Allegiant Stadium to become the most expensive entertainment venue in Las Vegas. The scale, at 112 meters, 366 feet tall, it's roughly the height of a 30-story building, comparable to the Shangri-La or Khan Tower in Ulaanbaatar, and is officially the world's largest spherical structure. The Sphere, exterior screen. The entire outside of the building is a 580,000 square foot, fully programmable LED screen, the largest on Earth. Composed of 1.2 million LED pucks, each containing 48 individual diodes capable of displaying 256 million different colors, it has become a piece of living architecture. The interior screen inside, a 160,000 square foot screen, wraps up, over and around the audience. With a staggering 16K x 16K resolution, it is the highest resolution LED screen in the world. Just sitting inside and looking up is, frankly, mind-bending. Sound and sensation. Over 167,000 speakers are hidden behind the screen, using beamforming technology to direct crystal-clear audio to every single seat. The seats themselves feature 4D effects like sense, wind, and vibrations, and use infrasound haptics to send low-frequency waves through your body. The tech magic, how AI brought a legend to life. Adapting an 86-year-old film for this futuristic canvas required Sphere Studios and Google Cloud to pioneer several new AI techniques. First, super resolution. The original 1939 film stock was upscaled to the screen's immense 16K resolution. To do this, AI algorithms didn't just sharpen the image, they generated entirely new pixels to add detail that never existed, making the classic look crisper than ever before. Second, outpainting. The original film was shot with a limited camera frame. AI was used to outpaint the scenes, generating the environment beyond the original shot. For example, where the camera once showed only a close-up of Dorothy, the AI could generate her full body and the surrounding landscape, filling the viewer's entire peripheral vision. 3. Performance generation. The AI created new movements and actions for characters who were present in a scene, but not the focus of the camera. This monumental task was a collaboration between teams from DeepMind, Warner Bros. Discovery, and others. To preserve the film's original soul, they trained their AI models on a vast archive of materials, including original scripts, costume sketches, and production notes, ensuring the new elements felt authentic. The experience, a real journey down the yellow brick road. This wasn't just watching a movie, it was living it. I felt like I was traveling alongside Dorothy and her friends. When the tornado hit Kansas, a powerful wind whipped through the hall as small pieces of paper, representing debris from the farmhouse, flew through the air. As Dorothy landed in the poppy field, the entire theater filled with a sweet, floral scent. When the wizard's giant fiery head appeared, you could feel a wave of warmth on your face. The seat vibrations, haptic feedback, and perfectly directed sound waves made me feel like an inseparable part of the narrative, the controversy, artistic butchery, or the dawn of a new era. Despite the technical wizardry, the project has sparked significant debate. Critics have raised several key points. Altering a classic by adding scenes and visuals that were never in the original, some argue it compromises the artistic integrity of a beloved masterpiece. Cutting the runtime, the film's original 102-minute runtime has been edited down to a 75-minute experience. The ethics of AI actors, using AI to reanimate deceased actors and create new performances for them, has raised serious ethical questions. On the other hand, the public's excitement is palpable. Social media is flooded with comments like, "This is exactly what AI should be used for," and "I would give anything to see this." Final thoughts. The Wizard of Oz at the Sphere feels like a grand experiment, a test to see how far audiences are willing to let AI reshape art. If ticket sales are strong, it's almost certain that other studios will rush to enhance their own classic films, or even begin creating new movies designed specifically for this immersive format. Whatever your opinion, the experience is undeniably powerful. It will leave you amazed, inspired, and perhaps a little unsettled. But one thing is for sure, you will never forget it.